here, and today we're going to be doing something with a plain jar. It can be a mason jar or a sauce jar, whatever type of jar you want, as long as it's clear. So today, what you will need, we're going to be decorating. Today, what you will need is some glitter, rainbow, any color you want. And we're also going to need some paint and paint brushes. And you're also going to need something to cover your surface so it doesn't get dirty, like this placemat. So first, we're going to start off by opening one of your favorite colors. Like for me, it's blue. So I'm going to be opening the blue. And yes, I'm going to take a brush. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to take some paint, put it on it. And we're just going to paint a dot right here. Also need a glass of water. Guys, yes, it is left over for my birthday. Anyways, I'm just you can kind of wipe it on the side of the cup. And yep. Now I think I'm ready to do another color. I think I'm gonna do yellow this time. So I'm gonna open up the yellow and so now the jar is just covered with yellow and blue. Now I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with the blue. Repeating the same steps except doing different colors each time I rinse it. Wiping the color off here. Okay, now I'm gonna put the cap back on so it doesn't dry out. And do red. Keep going and going with your colors until it's all covered with colors. Okay guys, so I'm done painting my jar. This is what it looks like. And it's very colorful, but while it's still wet, we're gonna add some glitter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get my purple glitter out here. And I'm gonna open it up and sparkle some on the sides. That you like. I'm gonna add some silver. You can add. When we're done, we're gonna add a candle inside, and then you can just put all these all around your house when you have a party, and it's gonna look so cool, guys. It's gonna be like a rainbow light. I've never done this before, and fun because I don't have a hot glue gun. For all of you fans that don't have hot glue guns, then it's okay because this doesn't have hot glue guns in it. And if you have rainbow glitter, that's really fun too. Because then you can do it of all colors at the same time. So that's my jar. Now, if there's extra glitter, you can just take all your things off and then pour it back into the container. So yeah, you get the idea. Pretty much cover it with all types of glitter that you want. The glitter is optional, but I think glitter is better. So yeah, glitter is amazing. It's sparkly, rainbowy, and amazing. So you guys know I love glitter. I love bedazzled things. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys know. I'm gonna come back to you guys when the jar is dried. Okay. Hi guys, so the jar has finished drying in the sun, and this is what it looks like. So it's very sparkly and colorful. So what I'm gonna do is have my candle, and you're gonna put it in the jar. It can be a mason jar or any jar you want, like I said before. And then you can light it with you're gonna have your parents' permission. You're gonna have your parent to light the candle, and then you can put the candle inside, and then you can put the cap back on, and when you're in a party, or you can just use decorative lights and put it inside, and when you're at a party, it's gonna be like really fun and cool. So my last words are: go to your settings, go to your YouTube settings, turn on your notifications so you know when I post a new video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and just stay tuned for my next video.